to CAD/CAM design tutorial. Today make this type of strip using twist command in Creo sheet metal. Now first of all open set work directory, new sheet metal, uncheck and any name. Now okay. Now okay. Now see top plane, new planar, any planar, normal, and first of all make a rectangle 200 by 100 and 50 100. Now 200 200. Now click OK and 5 thickness. Now OK. Now see, now using shape twist and click edge. Now see, and upper side, then degree change 90. Okay, then see 200 and twist. Now same now change 90 degree, then 0 degree. See one plane surface, then click 200. Okay, now okay, then see this type of strip are ready. Then click unbend, unbend. See the strip are plain rectangle type. Now sketch, now normal. Now draw a circle any side, one side any. Now choose this side, click 65. Okay, now dimension. Okay, now 105, enter. Now okay. Now see extrude and see punch type hole. Click OK. Now editing pattern, direction, choose direction, then select one edge. Now 8 part and distance 200. Now some less distance 7. See 7. See now okay. Now bend back. Now see the circle are on twisted surface. Now shape. Now engineering round. Now couple of round. Click. Now okay. Radius. Then click engineering round. Then click any surface. Change dimension 2 millimeter. Then click upper side. Now okay, and choose other round surface. Okay, now okay. Now click outer edge, give a radius, then click OK. Simply click OK. Now see the strip are complete. Now give appearance. Remove all plane, datum, line, center line, all remove. View, appearance, then click appearance. Appearance on other side. Now see result. Strip are complete. Then go to rendering, realistic rendering. Product are render. Then achieve a image file, JPG or PNG file. Our need, then adjust isometric view, then click a render. Now maximum sample, give a render. Now complete. Now cancel. Now see the final object.